All right, girl. We have yet to say grace. So, greetings in the name of the Most High, and continuous and continuous. We want to give thanks to everybody who made this food. Costco, thank you. Arab people down the block, thank you. Whoever made the pita bread, them, thank you. And we just want to bless this food to our bodies.
Continuous and continuous. Bless.
Thanks.
All right, guys. So welcome back to another video.
Picky Eater Gang, where you
Gang,
at?
gang.
Thumbs up in the comment section if you're a picky eater.
And if you are new to our channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, hit that bell to get notified whenever we drop a video.
Please and thank you.
So today we have for you guys some falafel wraps.
Kinda homemade-ish. No, home put together.
Home assembled.
Yes. Assembled at home.
Yes.
Kind of like IKEA.
Ooh, fly.
Wow.
And we also have these, is it Afghan?
I
think it's Afghan.
Where does
Arab?
it say? They get offended when you mix them up, so where does it say it's from? Okay, guys, what handwriting is this? Whatever this is where it's from. This is where it's from. This is where it's from.
Yeah.
Oh, look, Dubai. It's from Dubai.
So who's Dubai? Arabs?
They're getting Arab money. Yeah,
I got the pomegranate flavored.
And I got pineapple. She's not hip. She doesn't get that joke.
Is it
Banana.
I think it's a twist top.
Yeah, I think because it has the... Are you going to start with your drink?
Well, I do want to taste it.
Okay.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers. I guess I should open mine.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to start with my drink too now, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, girl. Cheers. I wish you the best.
Bottom to the top.
Bottom to the top. There you go. Picky Eaters. I wish you 1 million subscribers. Thank you.
Tastes pretty good.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's a malt beverage, non-alcoholic, pineapple flavor, Barbican. Good stuff. You know what it tastes like? That pineapple candy, you know the ones they have in the grocery store for 10 cents?
No.
You used to steal them all the time. All the kids steal those candies.
I don't remember.
That was good. I give it a thumbs up.
So yeah, in our falafel wrap, we have garlic sauce. What is it called? The green stuff?
Tabbouleh.
Tabbouleh. Pickled turnips and I think that's
falafels.
It. Oh, falafels, yeah.
Yeah, and the falafels are from Costco. So I don't think all Costco's have them, but we went to a Costco that I guess has a big Arab population.
Well, we went to one Costco's and they didn't have them, and then we had to go to another one.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe because of the downtown.
Yeah, because if anybody knows about Guy Concordia, that is like little BB town.
Can we just do a pause? Maybe I'll even insert a little clip of her saying how she hates when people. And this whole video, that's all she's been doing. It's like. This fly is driving me crazy. Anyways, well, I want to get into my wrap.
Anybody who does this at home, okay, I know why they put it on the little oven thing at the end. Because if you heat up the pita before you try to work with it, it gets all stiff and you can't do nothing. So I heated it up first and now it's all like stiff and crumbly. So yeah. Do it when it's not warmed up first, and then warm it up like how they do in the spot. How was it? I don't know. My first bite was kind of dry. I don't have any garlic sauce though. Right now for me it's just I didn't get turnips. I just got falafel. Which the falafel is good. It's a good falafel.
Hey, Kenj. You gonna say hi to the gang?
Say hi, picky eaters. All right. Mwah. Okay.
Yeah, you need the bite with all the like,
all
the stuff. Yeah.
I just got some garlic. Good. Amir's, where you at?
Amir sucks.
Yeah, Amir's is not this good.
Amir sucks and it's Boostan now. Boostan is popping.
I didn't think Boostan was all that.
She's tripping.
You're tripping. You just like when people talk smack about his mom. It's good because I'm picking the crumbs off the table.
No.
It is good. You want some? No, you don't want. You don't want any.
Woo! Yes, guys, this is boom shakalaka boom 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 boom. I mean, okay, I'm over exaggerating. It's not like boom shakalaka.
No, it is boom shakalaka. It's better than Amir's.
Yes, I rather this than go pay $10 at Amir's.
Me too.
So, the only thing that we're honestly missing is some boom garlic potatoes with some extra garlic sauce on top of that. Like it up. On top of that.
We were supposed to do that. Completely forgot.
Yeah, but time got the best of us.
Stop. Fruit fly.
Who wants to make a guest appearance on our channel?
How do you get rid of fruit flies? Don't buy fruit.
I was just about to say that.
It just, oh my god. I got a turn up. It just got turned up. Oh, that is like a, what do you call those?
I don't know.
It's not a pun. Is it a pun? I don't know.
Is
It's a
it
little
sharp?
queen. I act like I know my English.
Choking.
Let me drink my pineapple juice.
Oh. Yeah. Ooh, you just dropped all your stuff all over me.
Not fresh. I feel like I got a dry falafel piece stuck in my throat. And we wrapped it in wax paper just like they do at the spot. This is really, 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 really delicious.
I'm very impressed.
Me too.
Even though like we didn't like make it.
No, but I think we assembled it proper.
Yeah, like we got all the proper stuff to make sure that it tasted good. Like I was actually gonna get.
Oh, I thought you were done. I was gonna say that's up first. Actually, it'll be second.
Wow, what's the first thing that I was done first with?
8% chili.
Well, yeah. But you definitely had more than I did. I'm sipping on this like it's a Heineken or something. Like, I need to stop. I need to cut it out. Oh, man.
So good, make you want to smack your mama. Not my mama. Rial's mama.
Ooh, child. That one just got the best of me.
I'm pretty sure I explained to you proper etiquette when you're sitting with somebody eating. That was gross.
You told me to give them my real authentic self, so here it is.
That was gross.
Do you guys find that gross? Comment down below. I won't even edit this part out. Comment down below and let me know if burping is
Dirty. It's so crumbling.
That's the falafel though.
Yeah, I what I'm talking about. Oh, good, guys. If it wasn't so late, I'd get another one.
What's soy?
If it wasn't so
what's-
late,
Oh, so late. I'm like, what is in here that's soy?
nothing.
Yeah, we are making this video pretty late. But I said that to myself too. I can't eat another one. It's too late. What are you doing?
The Montreal Millie Walk. We just made it up. Woo! That was good. Go to Costco. Get you some falafels. Go to the Arab spot. Get you some garlic, turnips, tabbouleh. Go to the grocery store. Get you some whole wheat pita. And you're good to go.
And there you got a falafel wrap. And make sure you heat it up after it's assembled.
Yeah. The pita, yeah. After.
So. But.
It tastes like candy. So good.
Oh, yeah? I can't complain. I honestly cannot complain, guys. I do hope, like, doing this channel, like, I don't gain extra weight. But at the same token, like, I'm just recording myself eating the foods that, like, I normally eat. Right?
Oh, I'm definitely gaining weight.
Why do you say that?
I don't know. I just feel like I am. I'm about less than 200.
Didn't you just weigh yourself when you went to...
It's that dry falafel stuff in my throat.
You okay?
Nope. That fly. Is that fly or that is a huge fruit fly. How come they weren't in our other videos?
Probably because the light's on and it's nighttime when they came out to play.
Oh,
no, probably because those cinnamon things are sitting on the table.
what's cinnamon? Oh. Second thoughts, don't eat falafels because I don't know what it did to my throat.
She wasn't chewing her food.
That could be it. Okay, that just hurts. Oh, that's legit stuff.
I feel like it's not a burp unless it sounds like a burp, you know? Am I the only one? Am I the only one that really burps like that? Or like...
Okay, I think you're good. You were talking about your burp. The burp you're so proud of.
Yeah, let me know. Put a comment down below if you burp like I do. We could be burping twins, but
in the camera, it looks like a monster. It doesn't look like
it's
tiny.
so tiny. Like, you guys don't even understand how tiny it is. It's super tiny. It's just driving me insane. I don't know why. I was very passionate about that.
Flies are annoying.
I was super passionate about that one.
That's the only good thing about winter. The only good thing.
Wow, that sip looked like a backwash, but I guess it's my drink, right?
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, guys, this is another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed eating it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed eating it.
And I hope we inspired you to try it yourself, because trust me,
it was bomb.
And you can make enough.
That's true.
We just made 2, but we're about to make more for, like, you know, everybody.
No, I don't want. Oh, for everybody. I was like, no, I don't want another one right now. That was actually pretty filling. So yeah, guys, if you had made it this far in the video, that just means that you like us. You like us. You really like us.
So subscribe
and like, share this video with all your friends and family members. And yeah, we out.
Eaters out.